Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 6937 Berkridge. We had to cable this out. They're doing a home sale. And then somebody else inspected. They couldn't get very far in there. I ended up cabling it out. And we're going to go put our camera in here and take a look at this line. We'll be right back. Alright. So we got our camera pushed out to the main here. Go ahead and pull it back, show you what this line looks like. Got a dive there. Go to dive, make it depth for MSD. Pump something that should flush out. Probably something I cut up when I cabled it. You got a small amount of roots in here. Nothing bad. I cut them back. Another small amount of roots. Too bad though. I had to run from here in the basement. I only got 3-inch stack, so I'm only able to run 2.5-inch cutter. If you really want to cut them out, they'd have to install clean out the yard. Got a slide belly in the line. But it does drain. Just tends to hold a little bit of water there. But it does drain off. Got some roots there. We are in the cast iron. Oh, I got some waste stuck on my camera here. That's what you're seeing there. But like I said, that'll flush out. That just got stuck on my camera head from me cabling it. Here we are in the cast iron. So yeah, they had a problem. The other guy inspecting mine had a problem getting through this cast iron. About 17 feet. But I was able to cut through it with my cutter. See is right around in here. Yeah, just a bunch of leftover sludge from it being backed up there, but it is open. It doesn't appear to have anything too bad there. Go run some water and clean my camera head off. Some tissue buildup there. Got stuck on my camera head. But that will flush out as soon as I'm going to run a bunch of water, and that will wash out the MSD line. Back to here. And here we are at the bottom of the sweep. And everything looks to be intact. It is open and draining, so it should be good to go. All right, thank you.